Today I'm gonna bring you guys along while I do some baking. I am gluten and dairy intolerant, so everything I'll be making doesn't have any gluten or dairy in it. So I'll link the recipes, or I'll just like write the recipes in the description in case anyone wants to use them or follow along or anything. Let's go to the kitchen and get baking. Oh my. Done. I'm just gonna let them cool and then we'll do a little taste test. They're so good. So good. Okay, it's the next morning. I'm gonna try the oats I made yesterday. It didn't make very much. Like, that is not enough for a breakfast. Let's see how they taste. I usually really don't like overnight oats. Or I guess this is chia, but I usually don't like it because of the texture. It's too slimy and weird, so I don't know, I might not like this one, but we're gonna try it anyways. It smells good. No. It tastes good, but the texture is just so weird. I also realized I never showed you the oat bites I made. I realized while I was making them that the chocolate chips I used weren't dairy free. They were just like semi-sweet, not dark. I've had these a million times, so I know they're good, but I'll still taste test them for you. Delicious. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This one was really fun to make. I mean, the other one was really fun to make too, but I love baking and I've been learning some new gluten-free and dairy-free recipes, and I have lots that I would like to try. So stay tuned for that. I wish I had the setup, like an extra phone or camera or something to actually show you guys what I'm doing, but I don't have all that yet. I don't even have like a filming camera, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so I can get a filming camera. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.